In December 2007, University of the Philippines President Emerlinda Roman requested former DOH Secretary Dr. Alberto Romualdez to organize a presentation and panel discussion on the topic The State of the Nation's Health. The activity was to be part of the UP Centennial celebrations the following year. Prior to this, Professor Emeritus Dr. Ernesto O. Domingo had been designated to give one of the Centennial lectures regarding the role of the university in the health sector. Additional inputs were given informally by a broader group of about 30 experts on the Philippine health sector. The State of the Nation's Health was presented at the UPPGH on September 9, 2008, and 2 weeks later, Professor Dr. Domingo's lecture followed. The lectures concluded that the major problem of the Philippine health sector was inequity in access to services, resulting in gross inequalities in health status among economic and geographic groups. To remedy this situation, radical reforms leading toward universal health care were needed. To address the remaining gaps and challenges on inequity in health, the Aquino Health Agenda through Administrative Order No. 2010-0036 was launched. It is a government mandate aiming to ensure that every Filipino shall receive affordable and quality health benefits. This involves providing adequate resources, health human resources, health facilities, and health financing. The Aquino Health Agenda contains the operational strategy called Universal Health Care, also known as Kalusugan Pangkalahatan, which is the provision to every Filipino of the highest possible quality of health care that is accessible, efficient, equitably distributed, adequately funded, fairly financed, and appropriately used by an informed and empowered public. The Aquino administration puts it as the availability and accessibility of health services and necessities for all Filipinos. The universal health care fulfills President Aquino's social contract with the Filipino people as stated in Section 7 of Executive Order 43, Series 2011, which is advancing and protecting public health. To attain universal health care, 3 strategic thrusts are to be pursued, namely, financial risk protection through expansion in enrollment and benefit delivery of the National Health Insurance Program, improved access to quality hospitals and healthcare facilities, and attainment of health-related Millennium Development Goals 4, 5, and 6 by the United Nations Development Program, namely, to reduce child mortality, to improve maternal health, and to combat AIDS, malaria, and other diseases. Protection from the financial impacts of healthcare is attained by making any Filipino eligible to enroll, to know their entitlements and responsibilities, to avail of health services, and to be reimbursed by PhilHealth with regard to healthcare expenditures. PhilHealth operations are to be redirected towards enhancing national and regional health insurance system. The National Health Insurance Program enrollment shall be rapidly expanded to improve population coverage. The availment of outpatient and inpatient services shall be intensively promoted. Moreover, the use of information technology shall be maximized to speed up PhilHealth claims processing. Improved access to quality hospitals and health facilities shall be achieved in a number of creative approaches. First, the quality of government-owned and operated hospitals and health facilities is to be upgraded to accommodate larger capacity, to attend to all types of emergencies, and to handle non-communicable diseases. The Health Facility Enhancement Program shall provide funds to improve facility preparedness for trauma and other emergencies. The aim of Health Facility Enhancement Program was to upgrade 20% of DOH retained hospitals, 46% of provincial hospitals, 46% of district hospitals, and 51% of rural health units by the end of 2011. Financial effort shall be provided to allow immediate rehabilitation and construction of critical health facilities. In addition to that, treatment packs for hypertension and diabetes shall be obtained and distributed to rural health units. The DOH licensure and PhilHealth accreditation for hospitals and health facilities shall be streamlined and unified. Further efforts and additional resources are to be applied on public health programs to reduce maternal and child mortality, morbidity and mortality from tuberculosis and malaria, and incidence of HIV and AIDS. Localities shall be prepared for the emerging disease trends, as well as the prevention and control of non-communicable diseases. The organization of community health teams in each priority population area is one way to achieve health-related Millennium Development Goals. Community health teams are groups of volunteers who will assist families with their health needs, provide health information, and facilitate communication with other health providers. RN Hills nurses will be trained to become trainers and supervisors to coordinate with community-level workers and community health teams. Another effort will be the provision of necessary services using the life cycle approach. These services include family planning, antenatal care, delivery in health facilities, newborn care, and the Garantisadong Pambata package. The success of the Kalusugan Pangkalahatan shall be measured by the progress made in preventing premature deaths, reducing maternal and newborn deaths, controlling both communicable and non-communicable diseases, improvements in access to quality health facilities and services, and increasing national health insurance program coverage, benefit utilization, and support value, prioritizing the poor and the marginalized. These performance measures are the results of effective interaction between families and healthcare providers, both public and private, in local health systems.